Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 2nd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Another horrible day today. Uh, you're looking at the Dow here. We saw a familiar pattern with the Dow. We haven't seen this in a while, but the Dow goes way up right at the beginning of the day, gets us into a bunch of crap, and then sells off, turning everything negative. But what's a little bit different about this, the push up here at the beginning didn't help the positions that we had coming in. I mean, it's basically, this is probably just a coincidence. Um, we're just getting killed no matter what happens with the Dow. But anyway, as far as the Dow, it did go up, sold off the rest of the day, closing pretty close to its low there, down 97 points. Okay, we had close to $5,000 in open trade coming into today, and we had 7 positions. Every one of those 7 positions went negative. That's in spite of this positive opening we had with the Dow. Every one of those 7 positions went negative, and we closed those out with negative $10,000. So, we saw, $4,000 or $5,000 positive go to negative 10. That's not a good way to start the day. And then we got into 10 new positions, 4 positive, 6 negative, and we're negative 6,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So $16,000 losing day total. That's just terrible. I know I gave my little speech on Friday. I am going to continue trading this, but I am cutting back my exposure. This is like standing in front of a fire hose that is shooting toxic chemicals at you. There's no let up in it. I wish I could be sure I knew what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I'm planning on doing some research on that this coming weekend and possibly change the portfolio. I'm not hurrying to do that because that's what I did before, and this is the result. This is the new portfolio I came up with, and we're just being destroyed with it. So, I just not sure what I should do, and when I don't know for sure what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut back my exposure for a while until I figure things out. And that's what I would urge anybody that's trading this should do. That's just being rational. Like I say, like standing in front of a fire hose shooting toxic chemicals at you. That's the best way I can describe this. I'll just show you just one stock and what happened here. Here we go. This is BAOS. That's Baoshang Media Group Holdings Ltd. And of this new group of stocks we're trading, it's almost like all of them are bad, but this is one of the worst ones. So I'll show you that. And this just mirrors what we saw with the Dow and the rest of our portfolio. Big push up here right at the beginning of the day. That gets us long on the high bar of the day, and then it's down from there, and we are negative $3,500 in Baoshang Media Group Holdings Ltd. And we're negative in just about everything else. Anyway, I'm sorry. I wish I could be more optimistic. I'm not very optimistic right now. I will be, however, trading tomorrow, and I'll be back here with another report then.